it is, folks. There it is. Got it. Ooh. Woo. Look at that, folks. So if you guys are looking for some really unique and original, all custom designed tees, anything from your fishing, patriotic, Christian-based, and just funny t-shirts like this, all designed by me or my wife, come check it out at lumenpath.net. And thank you very much, guys, for all your support. Here we are, folks, back at the Upground Reservoir. And for my second pull, we'll be using this Japanese Inurig right here, folks. See how well that works. Didn't have much luck with it last year. I kept catching a bunch of gunk and moss. And the way that you work it is that you work it slowly. They started giving it a couple hops here and there. You don't want to work it too much. One thing I do admit, it does give it a much different presentation using the Inurig. Whoa! Had a bite, folks. Out here at Center Green Park, I tried the Upground Reservoir. Had a hit on the Inurig. If we're out here, I'm just going to stick it out with my light rig. I have me a 1/16 ounce jig head with a small, slim slip bobber. One thing I found is that the slimmer the bobber, the less resistance that you have. And I have been having a lot of luck catching crappies and bass with it. I'll be using this 2-inch Berkley Gulp Minnow. Gonna try me out this Gulp Minnow. See if we can finally catch us something. Just want to push it around the bend and push it up past the bait holder. Ooh, yes, there it is, folks. Oh, I missed it. Definitely getting a lot of action. I'm just not landing anything yet. There it is. There it is, folks. There it is. Yes. Woo! Crappie. Folks. A little guy. Still about 8 inches. Finally. First catch of the day. There to go, folks. That did the trick, changing it to a smaller hook. We'll try it out with a minnow. Let's see if we can catch us a bass. I'll be happy. There it is. There it is, folks. There it is. Got it. Ooh. Woo. Look at that, folks. Wow. Look at that. Oh, yes. Look at that. Probably about a pound, folks.
What is it?
A bass. Yeah. This one is the biggest one I caught so far out here. Probably weighing over a pound. There it is, folks. There we are, folks. My 6th bass of the year, folks. Wow, there you go. Caught yourself a bass, finally.
Yeah, I kept getting hits over there, but it didn't feel like a bluegill.
There it is. The first bass of the year. Half a pound.
Half a pound?
Yep.
Big jump from your quarter pound.
Yep. There it is. Okay, folks, we've been out here for about an hour and a half now. Caught me 1 crappie, 1 bass. Mike caught himself a bass finally on worms. And so I'll be taking off. If you guys like this video, please smash that like and leave me your comments down below, folks. Consider subscribing for some more fishing, knife, and kit videos. You guys take care. Talk to you later.